Hi Momenters, hi viewers, thanks for watching another Moments by Booth video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today we're at the Cambridge and we're going to be looking at my very first listing. Yes, a one-bed, one-bath apartment, fully furnished with amenities to boot. You have 24-hour security, not just on the outside, not just on the inside, but in the lobby area as well. There is also a standby generator here that lasts up to 5 days without needing to be refueled. And also there is one of the largest water reserves in Kingston located at this facility as well. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. You ready? Run me intro. So like I mentioned before, security is top of mind here at the Cambridge. So whilst entering any one of the two buildings that are here, I have to utilize a key card. Have the security at the entrance. Big up. Elevators to take you upstairs, but there's also a common area here that provides you with seating. You can have coffee and enjoy peace of mind here. Well, let's head on upstairs and check the unit out. Alright, so let's step inside and see what we're working with. So the first thing you'll notice is that the owner upgraded the locks, so you have a deadbolt, an additional deadbolt at the top right there. And as you step on the inside, you notice that there is some cabinetry to your left, and this is actually functional. And like I mentioned in the introduction of this video, this is a fully furnished apartment, and you will see that the homeowner thought of everything. So this is the layout. To my right is where the bathroom is. You have recessed lighting, of course. It's a modern apartment, so there is central air conditioning. And just look at the flow of this space. It's 605 square feet, but it is exceptionally used. You get your stainless steel LG refrigerator, additional storage up top, and like I mentioned, everything you see in here comes with the unit once you rent it. Toaster, upper cabinetry, lower cabinetry, you have a dish drainer, double bowl stainless steel sink, electric kettle, electric stove, microwave, more storage, more storage. Come on, come on. This place is a definition of move-in ready. So you do have your modern table right here. Just back out so you can see the kitchen and the dining area. And you have a pendulum light, nice lighting up top, fire alarm system. This is your in-unit laundry. You have a stackable washer and dryer, wash tub, Comes with mop, broom, everything. Everything is here for your convenience. The day you call me for this unit is the day you'll be able to move in. A unique feature about this particular unit is this office space right here. The drawers are also soft close, but this office chair and this office area that comes with a standing desk. And if you don't know what a standing desk is, you can work sitting down, or you can program the desk with one of 4 buttons to go to an elevation where you can work standing. For those of us who work from home and we don't want to be sitting all the time, you can utilize that standing desk to enable yourself to get some exercise in whilst you work. So this is the living area. Nice carpet laid out. I love the color scape. High ceilings and the nice drapes, nice white drapes, and you have sheer drapes to the back, but to the front you have more opaque drapes that will enable privacy whenever you need it. The unit also comes with internet and cable TV from Digicel, and also the homeowner will be including water. So the only thing you will have to think about for this unit for yourself would be electricity. Let me go into this corner here. This is where the air conditioning stuff is housed. Nothing really important to see right here. So this is your interior space on the outside of where your bedroom is. Now this is the bedroom, so let's move into it. The piece de resistance. So it is very nicely designed. As you can see, the hue of the light in the fan and lighting fixture matches the hues of the artwork that's on the wall, and also the turquoise or teal that's on the walls. And of course, pure white sheets make up the bed. The drapes are gray along with the carpet. Everything ties back in. Every single thing ties back in. So this is the view from your room. You get a city view from this vantage point. That's why you close your window. There's an air conditioning unit on the inside of the bedroom as well. You have a nice side table light, the functionality to control the ceiling fan, which is lights. You can program it with different speeds, so on and so forth. And then of course you have your walk-in closet. So this side is empty, but this is how it is. And then the homeowner provided additional pillows, some towels, some sheets, and hangers for you, along with a iron. There's a table here as well you can set up if you like. Then this is the bathroom. So you have upgraded lighting at the top, modern finish, toilet paper holder. Have an area there you can store some items, towel rack, robe hanger. This is how the inside of the glass enclosure shower looks. And you have somewhere to store your soap or your body gel if needs be. So this leads us back out into the living, dining, and kitchen area. This is the only off-limit area of the unit. But besides that, everything else is here for you. Quite literally, everything else is here for you. You also have this intercom system that I forgot to mention when I was going through. You can phone down by the security gate to have them know you'll be having a guest that will be arriving, or you can phone them to let somebody in if they're already on the outside. So that's how you communicate with security. But besides from that, that is it for this particular unit. As I mentioned earlier, there are a myriad of amenities here. And when I say a myriad, I mean a myriad of amenities. So you have wheelchair access, you have the water tank that I mentioned, you have hot and cold water here as well, swimming pool, really nicely designed kitchen, main level entry, sprinkler system, the grounds are well manicured, standby generator, like I mentioned before, with up to 5 days worth of reserve energy, 24-hour security. You have a clubhouse, exercise center, playground. You have a outdoor pool, entertainment area, so gazebo area. You have the recreation center. You have tennis court, water tank, jogging trail, walking path. Absolutely everything is here, and not just here, but in the area. There are supermarkets, there are universities, there are a lot of eateries that are within 5 minutes of your home. So this is your ideal move-in ready, fully furnished, fully accessible when needs be, convenient, homey. I don't know what more you're looking for if you're looking for a fully furnished 1-bedroom apartment in Kingston. If you are looking for one and this one suits your fancy, you can reach out to me, yes me, at Akeem at sotheby'srealty.com.jm, or you can give me a call or hit me up on WhatsApp at 819-9918. Thank you for coming with me through my first listing tour. I hope you appreciate this video, and I hope one of you guys call me for this particular property. Also, shout out to my subscriber who recommended that her son utilize my services in listing this property. Thank you so much. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing. Each and every time I list a property, I tour a property, and I make a video for you. Thank you guys so much for your support. AB signing out.